Hi YouTubers, JD Cap 26 here, just with tips from Pearson Hobbies, and we're going to do something fun now, and it's called AirDrop, and I'm going to show you on the iPhone how to transfer it to your computer, and you can do a lot of photos at one time. I mean a lot of photos, and no cord, absolutely no cord. So let's get to it. Here we are, and we're showing the iPhone. And we're going to go into settings, right there, settings, and Bluetooth should be on. And these are the settings you want to have on. So let's go into Bluetooth. That's good. And go down to General, go to AirDrop. So in General, AirDrop. And contacts only, you want to have that clicked on. Okay, and just let's get out of this. Okay, so on the computer, you want to have this on, and also contacts only, and your AirDrop is on right there. Okay, so we go up to pictures on the iPhone and get out of there. And he goes to select, and you hit this and this, and this and this, and you want to go down, see the little square right down here? Go to that, and then hit AirDrop, I'm sorry. You see here it says My Peter's iMac. You hit that, and boom, it's up there. The pictures are up there from the iPhone. There's one. Whoops. Sorry, guys. This is new to me. There's another one here. All the pictures are here. So, there's another one. It's a screenshot. And no cord. Absolutely no cord. So that's how you do AirDrop. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll certainly answer them for you. And down here on your iPhone, you can hit done and X out of it. And if you want to delete any of this, you could delete it, but I don't want to, so we'll just uncheck those. And thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, and have a good day.